Yes, here we have a question about also the differentiation of parametric equation. We are going to try. So this question was question number 2, and it was asked in November in Cambridge International Exams, Mathematics A level, and it is in paper 3.1, the component of 3.1, paper 3.1 with this component, and it was asked in November 2011. So the question was about the parametric equation of the curve are this one. We have x which is equal to this and y which is equal to this in the function of t as the parameter. So we need to find dy dx in terms of t. We need to differentiate our parametric equation in terms of t, and we are going to simplify as much as possible. Then, as we have seen, when we are finding dy dx, we say that this is like dy dt dividing with dx dt. That is what we are going to do. So, when we are going to do this, automatically we say that we need to find this dy dt. Dy dt, it is given by, we are going to differentiate this to cosine of 3t derivative. And this is equal to 2. When I'm going to differentiate this, we drop 3. We make the differentiation of this cosine of t. We vote the derivative, and we subtract 1 from a power, which is cosine square of t, like this. And then this is equal to 6 times derivative of cosine, it is sine, which is negative, of course, times negative sine of t, then cosine square of t. This is equal to negative 6 sine t cosine square of t. This is our dy. This is our dy dt. Then we go to dx. We go to find this dx dt. Dx dt. It is given by the derivative of 3, 1 plus sine square of t. So this is 3 derivative. 0 plus derivative of 1. Derivative of 1 is 0. We add 2. We drop this 2. Then sine t derivative. Then sine of t, we vote the derivative. The power is, we subtract from 1 from a power, and what do we remain with? Of course, we remain with 1. And then this is equal to 3 times 2. Derivative of sine is cosine of t, and it is positive. There is no problem with that. Then sine of t. So what do we have to do here now? We are going to take this dy dt, we divide with dx dt. Our dy dx is equal to this one, negative 6 sine t cosine square of t. We divide with 6, this one and this is 6 cosine t, then sine of t. And as I was asked, we need to simplify our answer to get the simplest form, the simplest expression. So this one can be simplified, as you see. This is sine and this sine can be simplified, as you see, and we remain with this cosine and this one can be simplified, and our dy dx is equal to negative this one. Then we remain with 1 cosine, so it is cosine of t. Cosine of t. Thank you very much. So don't forget to follow me, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share my videos to your colleagues, to your friends. Thank you. Let's meet next time. Thank you very much.